I want you to find a comfortable place for you to sit on, whether it be a chair, a sofa, or maybe even on your bed. Okay? So go ahead and make yourself comfortable. And then I'm going to walk you through some deep breathing to kind of get your body to relax.
Okay.
And then I'm going to walk you through some muscle relaxation. And then we'll move into visual imagery.
Okay.
Okay? So let's take a deep breath, and we're going to breathe through our nose. Hold it and blow out. Okay?
Again.
Just keep breathing. Hold it and blow it out. Okay, so I want you to close your eyes. And when I count to 3, I want you to do a deep breath again, blowing in with your nose as if you're smelling a flower, and then blowing out with your belly as if you're blowing bubbles.
No.
And I'm going to count to 3. And when you do that, I want you to just kind of let go of every tension that is in your body as you're blowing out. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right. So now I want you to notice your breathing. It's even and calm. Your breathing is going in and out, in and out. Your heart is at resting. Your body is feeling relaxed. I want you to pay attention to the top of your head. I want you to try to allow those muscles, your scalp, to just relax. Allow that relaxation to trickle down to your forehead, down to your ears, to your eyes, to your cheeks, to your mouth, your jawbones, and your chin. I want you to just relax them, let them hang out. And notice that your breathing is still even. It's going in and out, in and out. Your heart rate is even and calm. I want you to continue to allow your neck muscles to relax down to your shoulders, down to your chest, your arms, your elbows, your hands, and out your fingers. Just allow your body to relax and just rely on the support of the chair or the bed that you're on. Your breathing is still even. Your heart rate is still even. Allow your hips to relax, to your tummy, down to your thighs. Just let those muscles relax, down to your knees, down to your calves, to your feet, and out your toes. Your body is getting very relaxed at this moment. Your muscles are relaxed. Your heart rate is even. Your breathing is even and in and out, in and out. And as you're feeling your body get more relaxed, I want you to imagine a peaceful, calm, safe, and inviting place in your mind. It could be anything that you want. It could be on a lake. It could be by the ocean. It could be in a field of flowers. It could be in your cabin or in your bedroom. It could be any place you want to go that gives you peace, comfort, and relaxation. I want you to imagine a picture of where you're at. And I want you to look around that place that you're in. And I want you to notice quietly to yourself what you see. And I want you to also notice what you hear. Notice what it is that you might smell. So I want you to focus on your breathing again. It's even and calm. It's going in and out, in and out. Your body is relaxed. I want you to notice where you're at. Take in the calm, the peace, the joy, and the relaxation of the place that you're in right now. Notice what the smell might be like. Notice what you might hear. Notice if there's any sensations of touch, like maybe the breeze on your face, or the sun on your face, or on your foot. So notice what you can feel, whether you're sitting on something or standing barefoot. Just take in that inviting, peaceful, relaxing scene. And really log into your heart and into your mind this moment of peacefulness. And log into your memory, your heart and your mind, that you can always come back to this wonderful, calming, and relaxing place whenever you need to. Take a few moments to really enjoy that place. And when you're done, you can open your eyes.